Manual lymphatic drainage is used to reduce the swelling and to reroute the lymph flow that is accumulated in an area that had surgery, to reroute the fluid to the lymph nodes that are healthy and help it with the draining. I am Dr. Alexandra Chaux, Doctor of Physical Therapy, specialized in breast cancer recovery, certified manual lymphatic drainage. In this video, you're going to learn to do a lymphatic drainage for your right arm. This is going to help specifically those that got axillary or armpit lymph node removed. Please talk with your doctor before you do this type of techniques to give you the okay to do any manual techniques in your body. Before we start, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel here. Also check my website for more content. We're going to do to activate all the lymph nodes that are healthy. So in that way they are prepared to remove the excessive fluids in the area that is affected. So we're going to do abdominal breathing first. Then we're going to go here on top of the clavicle, then behind the neck, behind the ear. This is a stack. So you're going to go to the next one that is flowing. That it means this one, the next exit and the next exit, like the freeway, right? And in this one, if this is a stack, you don't want to move the traffic from here, from the distal. No, you start clearing from the proximal to the distal. Okay, ready? Let's do this. So you're going to put your hands on your belly button. You're going to put a little mild pressure. So you're going to inhale, exhale. Then we move the hand to below the rib cage. Doesn't matter if it's the right or the left. Inhale, exhale. To the other side, below the rib cage. Inhale, exhale. In the inguinal area or the groin area, inhale, exhale. Gentle pressure. Remember, the lymphatic system works with breathing and movement. Now to the other side. Inhale, exhale. Now we're going to go on top of the clavicles. We're going to activate both at the same time. So what you're going to do, you're going to do circles. We're going to do 7 to 10 circles. 1, 2, gentle, 3, just stretching the skin a little bit. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now you put your hands on your neck and you're going just to move, do circles, feeling the movement of the skin, very gentle. So you put your hands on the neck, and you're going to go 1, pulling back and down, 2, pulling back and down, 3, back and down, 4, pull gentle, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now we're going to go behind the ears. In this case, you can put the ear between the 4 fingers here, and you're going to pull back and down. 1, pull a little bit the ears back and down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Then we're going to the healthy lymph nodes on the armpit of the opposite arm, and we're going to do 7 to 10 circles. Just pull the skin, 1 circles. Pull the skin gentle, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, gentle, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now we're going to activate the lymph nodes that are on the bottom part of the affected arm. So we're going to go here on the inguinal area. That's where you bend the hip. That's where the lymph nodes are. We are going to do circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right here, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now we go to the affected arm. So you're going to put in that axillary area where the lymph nodes were removed, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 here. So you're going to start going to the opposite armpit. 1, very gentle, stretch the skin a little bit. 2, 3, just help the lymph flow to flow. 4, 5, very gentle. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now you want to clear all this area, right? So imagine this is all stack of fluid because it's working so hard. So you want to clear the area. So you are going to go from the top to the all the exit, all the lymph nodes that are healthy. 1, gentle pressure. 2, 3, helping to move the all lymph nodes that have been stuck. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, one more, and 10. Okay, now this whole area has been cleared. So now we're going to start with the arm. So you're going to start from the elbow all the way up to the armpit. So what you're going to do, gentle 1, gentle massage, like a massaging. 2 is gentle pressure. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So you cover this area. Now we're going to cover this area. Make sure that you cover all the areas on your arm. 1. So remember, you go to your armpit. 2, 3, 4, gentle pressure. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now we have the back of the arm. So you're going to do the same thing. 1, and go to the armpit. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. In the elbow, in this area, we have lymph nodes, so we're going to activate it. So what you're going to do, in 3 positions. The finger where your elbow bend, so you do 1, then this finger where the elbow bend, and then the pinky finger where the elbow bend. So again, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and look what I do is gentle, and 10. Now let's go with this area. So you go 1, gentle, like a gentle wave. 2, like early in the morning, the way that you see the ocean, the waves are very gentle. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we go on the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, gentle. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now we're going to go on your palm. On the palm, you're going to go like this. 1. If you want, you can put your fingers in between your other fingers and help it to drain. 2, 3, 4. Go in between the joints. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now on the back, in between the joints, to help drain any excess of fluid that has been accumulated there, or if it's not there, to prevent it. This is all about preventing. 3, 4, and just feel how the skin moves a little bit. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now the fingers. So what you're going to do with the fingers, you go on the top and you put a little bit pressure in between the fingers, all the fingers, and push it down. 1, and push it down. 2, like this. 3, like that. 4, push it down. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we don't forget the little thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And now we're going to go all the way from the bottom to the top. We do it just one time, from the bottom to the top. And one more on the bottom to the top. Now we go back to the armpit, and we're going to do 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. Then we're going to bring from the armpit all the way down to the inguinal area. 1, 2, and 3. And then from the armpit, we're going to go to the opposite armpit. 1, 3 times. 2, and 3. Now we're going to help it to push everything, to flush it out. So we go just 3 times here, 3 circles on top of the clavicle. 1, 2, and 3. We're going to do it 3 circles on the neck. Remember, push back, down 1, push back, down 2, back 3. Now in the ears, 3 times, push back, down 1, 2, and 3. And we finish with the hands on the belly button. This time it's just 3 times. You put pressure on your belly button and just inhale, exhale. Again, inhale, exhale. One more time, inhale, exhale, and 3. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a beautiful rest of the day. Bye bye.